Hello friends, welcome to Kirti's Creations. Today we will learn how to make the rainbow bracelets. It is a very easy DIY. Let's start. The material required is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple and pink 6 mm beads, some head pins, plier, the memory wire and my most favorite white pearls. The size is 6 mm. I have taken 6 beads of each color. See, and we will require 46 white pearls for making this bracelet. Now we will start making it. I will take memory wire and from its one end I will start inserting the beads. First I will insert 6 white pearls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After that I will pick one red bead, orange bead, yellow bead, green bead, blue bead, purple bead and the pink bead. See, it will look like this. And then again I will insert 6 white beads. And then again I will insert the multicolor beads in the same manner. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple and pink. In the same fashion I will complete it. Now see, I have completed inserting the beads in the memory wire. The 4 white pearls are remaining. I will show afterwards where we have to use it. Now I will close the open end of a memory wire by making a loop with the help of a plier so that the beads will not come out. See, you can see the loop. Now at the second end also I will cut the wire and make a loop there also. The memory wire is little bit hard, so cut it properly and with the safety. See, now I have made a loop at the second end also. See. Now I need 2 head pins and I will simply insert 2 pearls in that. I will make a loop of that also. See, like this. And I will just hang it on the end of the bracelet. See. And I will close the loop properly. See. Same at the second side. See, the bracelet is complete. See, the bracelets are ready and I am wearing the same bracelets. You can use the beads of your choice and make the bracelets. I have made same design in golden beads also. If you like my creation, then please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.